Imagine this. You wake up and your house is calm. The kitchen counters are clear, the living room is tidy, and you know exactly where everything is. No stepping on toys, no hunting for lunchboxes, and best of all, no starting your day already behind. That's the magic of putting your house to bed. At the end of a busy day, I get it. Leaving dishes in the sink and toys on the floor is tempting. But trust me, when I wake up to last night's mess, my stress spikes before I even taste my coffee. So what does putting your house to bed actually mean? It's a bit like a bedtime routine for your home. I spend just 10 to 15 minutes clearing dishes, wiping counters, picking up clutter and prepping for tomorrow. No deep cleaning, just a quick reset. Here's why it works. First, it slashes morning stress. Instead of scrambling to clean, I can focus on what matters, getting myself and my family out the door. Second, evenings feel more peaceful. I actually enjoy relaxing in a tidy space, knowing tomorrow will start fresh. And third, it teaches my kids responsibility. Everyone pitches in, and our home feels like a team effort. My best tips? Keep your nightly routine short, set a 10-minute timer. Play some music, make it fun, and don't aim for perfection. Progress beats perfect every time. Try it tonight. Pick 3 things to tidy before bed. When you wake up tomorrow, notice how much lighter and more organized you feel. That's the real power of putting your house to bed, and it just might transform your mornings.